BoutenkoFilms trailer take 47. Hello boys and girls, and welcome to BoutenkoFilms. My name is Sergey. I'm an author, filmmaker, forager, and lots of other things. My mission for 2023 is to motivate you to eat healthier and cheaper through gardening, homesteading, and foraging. As such, I will be transitioning this channel in that direction effective immediately, and in fact, I've already begun. Last year, I started a foraging cooking show called Wild Edibles Test Kitchen. 3 episodes are already live on YouTube, so I invite you to go check those out at your convenience. I've also compiled a foraging playlist with over 60 videos in it to keep you busy while I complete my YouTube overhaul. It's worth mentioning that over the years I've tried lots of crazy diets, and I've discovered in my endeavors that all bodies are unique and require different practices to achieve optimum health. Thus, I don't care what you eat or how you eat, and I promise not to push any radical beliefs through my videos, especially as it pertains to diet and nutrition. Instead, I aim to show you how you can benefit from adding more fresh and wild foods into your meals and save heaps of money and food costs while you're at it. Long story short, I have big plans to create more wholesome content that will help my family and yours fight inflation and live better. I know that I will gain new followers with this shift and likely lose some who currently subscribe. That's just the nature of the beast, and I accept my fate. I want you to know that you're all welcome to be here, and I hope you stick around to see all the changes that are coming. I'm currently clearing my schedule and finishing all my prior obligations in order to attack this mission full force. I may still from time to time post videos on other topics, especially when inspiration grips. However, the bulk of this channel is going to be foraging and wellness based moving forward. So, this is your official invite to join me on this new adventure. Subscribe to BoutenkoFilms for more videos that are just like this but completely different, and click the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos are uploaded. You see, I don't really upload videos on a schedule. That's how it's been from the beginning. And so if you don't hit that bell, you're gonna miss my videos. That's it, that's all. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and I have nothing else to say in this video. Ciao.
Tools, take 2, mark.
And tell me when you're set, Levi.
I'm set.
And action.